Hello, my name is Nosa Okeotis, reporting for Koko TV from the Lagos State Ikeja High Court, the Special Cases Court. Today in court, where the first witness was called to the stand. So the first witness that was called to the stand, who is a lawyer, also says she's the CEO of Chichera Yara Foundation for Children, for child abuse, for children that have been child abused or have been abused. She admitted in court saying, yes, the girl, she did a forensic investigation for the girl, and the girl in question here was raped twice at 7 years, and also the most recent one, which happened April 19th, again, but that time it was in the case of rape. Now, Baba Ijesha's counsel, or his lead counsel, was absent from court today, and so the case was adjourned till October 20th and 21st this year for the next hearing to take place. Now, Princess was escorted into court, or was supported into court by some thespians, popular one Iyabo Ojo, and also popular comedian, actor and entertainer Kofi were all together in court today to show support for Princess. At some point during the case, while the case was ongoing, and the judge and the lead prosecution counsel were examining the witness that was in court, Princess stormed out of the court crying. The case has been adjourned, as said earlier already, but now while the case had been adjourned and Baba Ijesha was leaving, we tried to speak with some persons, including Princess and other. One of Baba Ijesha's, who claimed to be his friend, and also probably maybe his spokesperson, who claimed he is a director, a video director, a script writer, tried to defend the case, saying all of the allegations levied against Baba Ijesha is nothing but fallacy, and even the witness that is in court today is only speaking on a fallacy and nothing of which is of the truth, even though he's trying not to preempt the court and saying they are waiting on the court to follow the due process and the truth shall be revealed.
Point of correction, for all the press here, Baba Ijesha did not admit to anything. That was a doctored video you were shown, and I think the court had made such request that the entire video, if this is actually a CCTV cannot hang itself, cannot terminate itself while recording. So by the time the people came in, the harassment began. I mean, those who harassed Baba Ijesha, it all began, and at that point, what were those things that transpired? You understand? Before it got to that point, it's a CCTV camera. You don't have to have a jump camera. I'm a movie director. You understand? I know what a jump company, and as a journalist that records it, I believe you all understand what a jump company. If it is actually a CCTV camera presented as a whole, then we don't have to experience those jump cuts in that video. So being a doctored video, nobody would accept or nobody would agree to a particular statement being mentioned in that, just like treating a particular phrase out of a whole chapter.
There's a case in court, I can't say anything. If I have to say anything, the government should just appreciate that non-governmental organizations are wonderful, they're doing a good job, and it's high time the government partners with every single non-governmental organization, because they are the most powerful institution. What I saw today just gives an insight that the government needs to wake up and partner with non-governmental organizations to give them the best that the society deserves.
Thank you. My name is Nosa Okeotis. This is the Koko TV. Subscribe to our channel. Stay tuned.